Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So today in this video we will be discussing the top 10 Telegram automations that you can set up with Pabbly Connect. So as you all know, Telegram is one of the most popular social messaging application used by a lot of people. And there are a lot of tasks related to Telegram that you can automate with Pabbly Connect. Whether it can be sending the data from some other platform like Tradingview, Google Sheet as a message on your Telegram group or channel, or sharing the social media post from multiple social media platforms automatically on your Telegram community or Telegram channel. Also, you can send or upload the files which you are getting from the users on Telegram to your cloud storage platform like Google Drive or Dropbox. The possibilities of automation are endless. So without any further delay, let's start with this complete process, this complete guide, and let's understand in the step-by-step manner that how you can set up all of these automations by yourself for your business. So in this video, we will learn how to send Tradingview alerts on Telegram. Now suppose guys you are using Tradingview to have a complete updated alerts on your favorite stocks and indices, and you want to send those alert messages which you get from Tradingview on your Telegram channel or Telegram group so that you can update your community on Telegram as well. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be getting a new alert message on your Tradingview account, and the action will be sending those same alert messages as a new message on our Telegram group or Telegram channel. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get the free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give your workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Tradingview to Telegram. And then just click on Create. Now we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the alert messages which we have created in Tradingview inside Pabbly Connect. So in our Tradingview account for some kind of specific stocks or indexes, we have created some alerts. And whenever a Tradingview is going to send us the alert message, first we have to get that message inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send that trading message, the alert message to Telegram channel as a channel message or as a group message. So let's begin. Now here guys, in trigger window in choose app, first search for Tradingview. Select Tradingview over here. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, select new alert. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Tradingview account with Pabbly Connect and get the alert messages. How you can do that? Just follow these help texts given below over here. So just copy this webhook URL from here. And to connect or to get alert updates, what you have to do, just go to your Tradingview account and here we are going to create an alert update and add the webhook URL. Now let's take an example of the Nifty index. So let's create an alert for Nifty index. Click on this open chart button. And then here click on this create alert. So here guys, while creating an alert in Tradingview, it is asking us for what conditions we want to create the alert. So we have the condition that we are creating this alert for Nifty index. What will be the status? So here in the drop down below, you can see different condition status over here. We are creating an alert for crossing, that whenever Nifty index is going to cross this value which we will be entering over here, we want to get the alert message. So as you can see here, it is right now trading at 18,351 points. I want to get an alert whenever it touches 18,349 points. So let's enter the alert as 49 points. Okay. Then it is asking us options only once every time. So do we want to get the alert update, alert message only once, or do we want to get the alert update every time this stock or this index cross this value? So right now, while setting up this automation, I just want to get the alert updates only once. If you want, you can select every time over here as well. Then it is asking us expiration time, that at what date and time this alert is going to expire. So this is going to expire at this time on 14th of December 2022. That is exactly 1 month after today. Then after that, it is asking us alert action. And here in alert action, you can see that there's an option named as webhook URL. You just have to select this option, and after that, the field which you get after selecting is under webhook URL. In this section, we have to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy this webhook URL from here, and in TradingView, just paste it over here. After pasting this webhook URL, the next thing which you have to enter is the message, that what is the alert message we want to get. So here guys, you can see that by default in this message, it is written the name of the stock or index, the condition for which we have created this alert, and then the value that at what value we have set up this alert. Now after this guys, in this message, I want to get some other details like what is the volume what volume this stock is trading right now. Also, I want to get the exact date and time, that at what date and time that stock has sent me the alert or this it has crossed that value, and also the current price. So here guys, in the help text below this message, you can see it is saying us, you can use special placeholders such as close, time, plot, etc. over here. So when you will click on this question mark button, you will see that there are some placeholders offered by TradingView which you can add in this message. So you can enter the details or the placeholders for all the details which you want to get with this alert. So for example, you can get the name of the exchange, that in what stock exchange you are getting these updates from. You can get the price by adding this close placeholder. Then you can get the volume by adding this volume placeholder. And you can scroll down and get a different list of placeholders using which you can get the details in this message. And after that guys, here you can see that you can add all of those placeholders details over here as well. So let's add the values which you want to get. So first thing which I want to get is the volume. So I'm going to add the placeholder of volume over here. After volume, what the next thing which we want to get is the price. So let's create a field of price and let's add the placeholder of price over here. This is the placeholder. And at last, we want to get the time. So to get the exact time of this interval of this firing of this message, we want to enter the placeholder as time now. So by clicking on this, just a second. Time now. So by clicking on this create button, you will create this event or this alert in TradingView. So right now you can see that it is trading at the Nifty index is trading at 18,354 points. So let's change that. Let's change this alert update, and we have to create this alert for example 355 points. The 18,355 points. For this point guys, we are creating this alert update. Now what we have to do, just click on this create button and this alert will be created. So here you can see that this alert has been created, and instantly we can see that we have received the response. The time at which this alert has crossed this value which we have created, we have received a message. And because we have connected this our TradingView alert with Pabbly Connect using the webhook URL, we will see the details of this same alert message will be received inside Pabbly Connect as well. And yes guys, here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see that we have received a alert message. So we have the name of the stock or index for which we have created the alert. We have the condition that for what value and for what status we have created this alert. Then we have the volume at which it is trading right now. We have the current price, and also we have the time, that at what time we have received this response. So in this way guys, you can see that you can get the alert messages from TradingView inside Pabbly Connect. Now what we want to do, we want to send the same message instantly on our Telegram group or Telegram channel. For that, just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in Choose app, search for Telegram. Select Telegram bot over here. And after that, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as send text message or a reply. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here what we have to do guys, using this automation to send a message on our Telegram group or Telegram channel, first we have to create a bot in our Telegram account. And after creating that bot, we have to add that bot into a Telegram group and channel, and we have to make that bot as an admin of that group and channel. And after creating the bot guys, we are going to get the API token of that bot. We have to enter the API token of that bot over here to make the connection between that Telegram bot in our Telegram account and Pabbly Connect. So how we are going to do this? Now to do this, it is a very simple process. Just go to your Telegram account, and here in search section, you have to search for bot father. So just search for bot further with this official tag, open the chat, and here what you have to do to create a new bot, you have to enter /new bot. Just enter /new bot over here. Okay, so we have started the process to create a new bot. Here it is asking us to give this bot a name. For example, I would like to name this bot as Tradingview bot. This will be the name of the bot which we want to give. Okay, after giving the name, it is asking us for a username of this bot. So Tradingview 123 underscore bot. This will be the username of this bot. Then after giving the username, it is showing us the bot is being created. And in this message, we can see that we have the API token of this bot as well. Just copy this API token from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after that, just click on save. And we will see that the bot which we have just now created in our Telegram account is been connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after making this connection, guys, what we have to do, you just have to click on this bot's chat icon and click on start button over here. In this way, we have activated this bot. And also we have to add this same bot into our Telegram group or channel where we want to send the updates. So this is my Telegram group or Telegram channel which I have created named as Stock Market Update. Now what we have to do, we have to add this bot in this channel or group and then make that bot an admin. And to do so, you need to have the Telegram desktop application or mobile application. So let me add this bot and make them the admin. And it is done. I have added the same bot into this Telegram channel and made that bot the admin. You can see that we have 2 subscribers, one is me and one is my bot. After doing this, guys, let's get back to Pabbly Connect, and here we have to enter the chat ID that in which chat we want to send these messages. Now to get the chat ID, guys, just go to your Telegram channel or Telegram group, and after opening this group, in the URL section, here you can see the chat ID. So after hash, guys, here you can see @ this is the chat ID of my Telegram channel. Just copy this chat ID from here and then paste it over here in this chat ID section. So this username is basically your chat ID. Instead of username, guys, in this way, in numerical format, also you can get the chat ID of your Telegram group or Telegram channel. So whatever chat ID of the group you get in the URL section, just paste the same chat ID over here and the messages will be sent on this same Telegram group or channel. After chat ID, the next thing it asks us is the text message, that what is the message which we want to send. So we want to send the alert messages which we have received from Tradingview. So here, this is the response of alert message of Tradingview. So we just have to map the same response over here in this text message field. And guys, the process of mapping, as we all know, is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, we can see the response of alert message which we have received from Tradingview. Select this response and it will be mapped over here. So whatever alert message we are going to receive from Tradingview, the same message will be sent on our Telegram channel. After this, the next thing it asks us is the disable notification and disable link preview. You can select these options according to your choice. And then just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here we can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this message has been sent on our Telegram channel, whose chat ID we have entered over here. So guys, let's check. We'll go to our Telegram channel. And yes, guys, here we can see that we have a message which says Nifty crossing 18,355 points. This is the volume, this is the price, and at this time we have crossed. So in this way, guys, we can see that the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now, every time, guys, we are going to receive an alert update from Tradingview alerts, automatically, instantly, the details of that alert message will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to instantly send that same message on our Telegram group or Telegram channel. So not just these applications, guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. So guys, Pabbly Connect offers you a forever free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test these automations, you can do it for absolutely free.
In this video, we are going to see how to auto-forward Telegram messages to Discord. Now, let's say you're using Telegram as an instant messaging app and you want that every time there is a new message, the same message should be shared with your team or clients on Discord. Now, how would you do that? For this, you will have to integrate these two applications, and you can do the same with the help of Pabbly Connect software. Now, here your trigger application would be Telegram and your action application would be Discord. Now, how would you do it yourself? For that, let me take you to my screen.
So let us begin with the process. The first thing that we have to do is we have to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we click on enter, it has taken us to the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can simply click on sign in, and if you are a new user, then you will have to sign up for free by clicking on this tab. At the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now, since I'm an existing user, I'm simply going to sign in. And now it has taken me to the All Apps page. Here, since we are doing this integration using Pabbly Connect, let's click on Access Now. And now this page has appeared, which is the dashboard of the software. On the right hand side, you can see a tab, Create Workflow. I'm going to click on this, and a dialog box appears which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here we wish to send Telegram messages on Discord to our team. So I'm going to name this as Telegram to Discord integration. Let's click on Create. Now as we do that, finally this particular page has appeared, which has got two very important events, trigger and action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, and action says do this. Action is basically the response of trigger. Now here the first trigger application would be Telegram. So let's click on this Telegram bot. And now the trigger event, so there is just one, set webhook watch updates. I'm going to click on this and then click on connect. Now here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with Telegram bot account. I've already logged into my Telegram account. I'm going to click on add new connection, and now it is asking for a token. And for this token, I'm going to take you to my Telegram account. Here you have to first look for bot father. So I'm going to click on this. Now let's start the conversation. And here to start a conversation and to create a new bot, I have to type /new bot. Let's click on enter. So here it is saying that yes, we can create a new bot, and now we have to name it. So let's say that the name is Discord T123. This is the name of my bot. And now it is asking to choose a username for my bot. So it is Discord T123. Your username should always end with _bot. So let's write this. And now here you can see that use this token to access. So basically this is the token that we need. This is the key. I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it here, and then click on save. So once done, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying that you will have to do a test submission so that you can capture the response. Again, I'm going to take you back to Telegram, and here see, we have just created a new bot. So this is the new bot that I've just created. And now I'm going to start the conversation. As soon as I start the conversation, you can see that the bot is there in the chat box now. Now I have to create a new group. So I'm going to click on this and click on new group. And here I'm going to add a few members. So once added, now I also have to add my bot. So I'm going to look for my bot. So this is the bot Discord T123. And now let's click on enter. As soon as we do that, here we have to name our group. So let's say the name of the group is Telegram Discord 123. Now I'm going to click on enter. So once the group is created, with the help of your phone, you will have to make your bot the admin. So now I'm going to do the same. So now I have promoted my bot to admin. And once this is done, I'm going to type a message. So let's say it is, hello team, we will gather for a quick catch up at 3 p.m. today. Regards. Now I'm going to click on enter. So here you can see that I have sent a message, which means that now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, I should get the API response. And so here you can see that we have received the API response. And this is the chat title. Then we have the chat ID. Here you can see that we also have the message text. So this is the text. So basically now what do I have to do? I have to send this message on Discord. So my next action application would be Discord. Let's click on this. And the action event would be to send a channel message HTML. Let's click on this and connect. So once done, now here you can see that it is asking for a webhook URL because this is going to act as a bridge in connecting the two applications. And here you can see this edit channel. So these are the channels that we have and this is edit channel. So I'm going to click on this, and once done, I have to go to integrations, and then we'll go to webhooks, and then we are going to create a new webhook. And here I'm going to name my webhook as Telegram Discord 123. And now I'm going to save changes and then copy this webhook URL. So once copied, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to paste it. So this is done. Now the message. For this message, we are going to map the data from the previous step, which means mapping basically means to receive the data or retrieve the data from the previous steps. So I'm going to click on this, and the message is this. So we have mapped it. Then the bot name. So now basically bot name is going to be the group name. So I can write here as Telegram to Telegram Discord group. And this is the bot name. You can even give it a bot icon, like you can add an image or GIF or etc. I'm going to leave this blank for now, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that the application has been processed. Now let's go quickly to our Discord account and check if this has received a message. So I'm going to click on escape here, and here you can see that yes, Telegram Discord group has been created. This is the bot and we have received a message. So what does this mean? This means that Telegram and Discord, these two applications have got completely integrated, but we need to check this in real time as well. So here I'm going to write another message. My message would be, hello team. It was great to talk to you all. We wish to strengthen our bond and reach our common goal soon. Okay, so this is just a motivation thing. Strengthen our bond. And now I'm going to write regards. And now we'll check if I send this message, what should happen? I should receive the same message on Discord. So I'm going to press on enter, and now going to check my Discord channel. So here you can see that yes, we have received a message. Hello team, it was great to talk to you all. We wish to strengthen our bond and reach our common goal soon. Regards. Now this basically means that our entire process is a success. The two applications have got integrated, and now we are going to quickly check what was the process. So this is just a two-step integration process. The first application, trigger application, was Telegram bot, where our event was set webhook watch updates, and the second application was Discord, and the event was send channel message HTML. In case of any doubts, you can refer to the workflow. The same workflow is given in the description box of this video, and you can even clone this workflow and process immediately. In case you have any other suggestion or advice, you can always write to us.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we will learn how to post new tweets from Twitter to Telegram. So imagine this, you are an active Twitterati. You tweet a lot and you have a ton of followers on your Twitter account. At the same time, you also have a Telegram group with a ton of followers. So the usual approach is, you make a tweet. After that, when the tweet is posted, you copy that tweet and paste the same tweet on your Telegram group for your Telegram followers. Now lately you have started to realize that this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So how about you bring in some automation so that whenever there is a new tweet posted by you on your Twitter account, the same tweet will be posted on your Telegram group automatically. Now the problem here is there is no active connection between Twitter and Telegram. So in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Twitter and Telegram. The best part of using this process is a person without any technical background can perform this integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example.
Okay, so as you can see, this is my Twitter account and I'm going to publish a new post. And this post is on the integration between WhatsApp and Google Sheets. Also, I have added the link of that particular video. Okay. Now, what will happen if I press on tweet is that once the tweet gets published on my Twitter channel, the same tweet will be available in my Telegram group. Okay. So let us check. Will that be possible? So let me just click on tweet. Okay, so a new tweet has been made, a new integration video between WhatsApp and Google Sheets published, okay, and this is the video link. Now, this is my Telegram group. Let me just refresh to check. Do we have the same details of the tweet? Let me just refresh this again. Okay, so this is basically the same message that we had posted on Twitter, and this is now available as a message on our Telegram group. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Twitter to Telegram? Okay, so you're going to send the data from Twitter to Telegram in just 3 easy steps. We have step 1, that is connect Pabbly Connect to Twitter account. Okay, so obviously you're going to log into Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you're going to integrate Twitter and Pabbly Connect. Then we have step 2, collect the data from Twitter to Pabbly Connect. So you're going to make a tweet. The details of that particular tweet will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Now we have step 3, send the same data to Telegram to publish the message. So the details of the tweet or the tweet itself will be used to create a post or a message in Telegram. The integration is very easy. Let me show you the details. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just hover on products, and here you will find connect. Just simply click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already created an account, so when I click here, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. So this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down, and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Twitter to Telegram. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now, obviously, I want to first send the data from Twitter to Pabbly Connect. So that is why in the choose app, I'm just going to select it as Twitter. Twitter it is. Okay, so we are going with Twitter. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new tweet? Now that's pretty much obvious. Okay, so as you can see, my Twitter account is already open. Basically, I have already logged into my Twitter account. So what we are going to do here is we are just going to integrate Twitter to Pabbly Connect. So let me just straight away click on connect. We are going with a new connection. Just click on connect with Twitter. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is asking access to my Twitter account. So before you click on authorize, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. On the basis of that trust, let me just press authorize app. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Brilliant. So what's next? So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of a tweet from my Twitter profile. Okay. When I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of a tweet that is present in my profile. It can be any random tweet, but it will just send a message. It will basically send a message that our integration is successful. Okay. It will fetch one of the tweets from my Twitter profile in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, this is the text. Okay, so this is the text and this is the tweet that we had worked on earlier. Okay, not the recent tweet. This is some old tweet. Okay, it is showing some old tweet that was tweeted some ages back. Okay, so why it is important? Because it is now showing that we have an integration between our Twitter profile and Pabbly Connect. So this is the tweet 10 plus best subscription management and something. So let's explore which is that tweet. Okay, so I think this is that tweet. Okay, this is the tweet that we had made several ages ago, several time ago. So this is that tweet. So we have got that detail. Now you don't have to worry because everything will happen in real time, because when you will tweet after building this workflow, it will be automatically be available in Pabbly in your Telegram channel. Okay, for the moment it is only showing the old tweet that you had made several ages back. Okay, so what's next? So what we are going to do here is we want to send this data to Telegram. Okay, so basically we are building a workflow, so that is why we are going to send this message to Telegram. Okay, now we know that this is obviously an old tweet, but do not panic. We will be having the real tweet in your Telegram channel after this workflow is built. Okay, so now we plan to send the same data to our Telegram channel. So in the action window, obviously we are going to select Telegram. Okay, because we want to create a message on Telegram. Okay, now in the action event, how about we make it as send text message or a reply HTML, and let me just straight away click on connect. Okay, so we are going with the new connection, and in the new connection we have to enter the token. So these are the instructions that we have to follow. So let us begin with dealing with bot father. So this is the bot father, and what we are going to do here is here we are going to create a new bot. So this is the code to create a new bot, but if you are familiar with Telegram, obviously I don't have to tell you that, but this is the code and we have added it here. Okay, so it will now show. Okay, so now it is saying, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So I'm going to give a random name. How about Pabbly 890 something, Pabbly 890, that would be good. Okay, Pabbly 890, that will be name. Okay, so now we have to give a username to this bot. So how about we give it as Pabbly 890 underscore bot. So let's check if this bot name is available. Yes, the bot name is available, and that is why it has returned the token. So we are just going to copy this token, and afterwards I'm just going to paste it here. So easy. And let me just straight away click on save. So when you click on save, we have chat ID, text message, disable notification, and disable link previews. Let's start with the chat ID. So here's the problem with Telegram. The new version of the Telegram doesn't allow the group to be added, a new group to be created from the web version. So this is the web version, and the new version of this Telegram channel doesn't allow to create a new group. So that is why we are going to deal with the app version. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new group in my Telegram channel, in my Telegram group in the app. Okay, so this is the app version. Okay, and I'm going to create a new group. Okay, so how about we give the name to this group? Oh, before that, let me just click on the 3 horizontal line and let me just click on new group, and I'm going to give the group name as automation 101. So this is the group name, automation 101. Now the reason I'm doing this is because the web version of Telegram doesn't allow you to create a group. Okay, so that is why we are going with the app version. So let me add some people to this particular group. Okay, and I have added some of them, and let me just straight away click on create. So a new group called as automation 101 has been created with 6 members. Excellent. Okay, so the next step will be we are going to add our newly created bot to this particular channel, this particular group. So let me just click on these 3 vertical dots, and let me just click on view group info, and we are going to add new member. So let me just click on add member, and the name of our bot was something Pabbly 890 something. Okay, so this is the bot. Okay, we have selected it, and let me just click on add. So now we have 7 members. Excellent, because the bot has been added. Now we are going to grant him admin privileges. So let me just right click here. So this is the bot Pabbly 890, and I'm just going to click on promote to admin. Okay, after that I'm just going to type admin. Okay, so this will promote this particular bot to admin, and let me just click on save. Okay, so let's check whether the same guy has been added or given the admin privileges. Yes, as you can see, it is now the admin. Okay, it is showing edit admin rights. So this guy, our newly created bot is the admin. So let me just cancel this. Okay, so now we are ready. Okay, so what's next? So let me just minimize the app version. Okay, and this is the channel, this is the group automation 101. So basically it is now demanding the chat ID. So for message to a private channel, we have to use -100 and these characters. Okay, we have to use these characters. Okay, let me just copy this. Afterwards, let me just paste it here. Okay, and afterwards let me just add 100, -100. Okay, so we have added the chat ID. Now, how about the text message? Now, we want the text message. Now, if you're familiar, this is the tweet that we had made. Okay, so this is the tweet that I had made several ages ago. So this is the random tweet that it is showing. So we want this detail here. Now, remember this is something I have told you earlier, to not panic. Okay, do not panic that this is showing some old tweet, some random tweet, not the recent one. But once the workflow is made, because once the workflow is made, doesn't matter which tweet, doesn't matter when you tweet, it will be automatically will be shown in real time on your Telegram group. Okay, so at present I'm just going to add the text message. Okay, so this was that tweet. Okay, and in the case of disable notification, let me just keep it as no, and the disable link preview, let me just keep it as no. So when I click on save and send test request, okay, so it will show a positive response, and as you can see, we have the tweet, okay, as a message in Telegram. Excellent. So it was made by this bot, that is Pabbly 890. So my point is very clear. Okay, now if you are going to tweet, if you are going to make a tweet, that tweet will be made available in Pabbly Connect in your Telegram channel. Now remember this, there will be a gap of 5-6 minutes between the tweet and the message appearing on your Telegram channel. This is because Twitter takes some significant amount of time to send the data. Okay, so it's not an issue with Pabbly Connect. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Twitter to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Telegram. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Twitter and Telegram. Awesome.
In this video, we are going to see how to auto-forward Telegram messages to Discord. Now, let's say you're using Telegram as an instant messaging app, and you want that every time there is a new message, the same message should be shared with your team or clients on Discord. Now, how would you do that? For this, you will have to integrate these two applications, and you can do the same with the help of Pabbly Connect software. Now, here your trigger application would be Telegram and your action application would be Discord. Now, how would you do it yourself? For that, let me take you to my screen.
So let us begin with the process. The first thing that we have to do is we have to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we click on enter, it has taken us to the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can simply click on sign in, and if you are a new user, then you will have to sign up for free by clicking on this tab. At the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now, since I'm an existing user, I'm simply going to sign in. And now it has taken me to the All Apps page. Here, since we are doing this integration using Pabbly Connect, let's click on Access Now. And now this page has appeared, which is the dashboard of the software. On the right hand side, you can see a tab, Create Workflow. I'm going to click on this, and a dialog box appears, which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here we wish to send Telegram messages on Discord to our team. So I'm going to name this as Telegram to Discord integration. Let's click on Create. Now as we do that, finally this particular page has appeared, which has got two very important events, trigger and action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, and action says do this. Action is basically the response of trigger. Now here the first trigger application would be Telegram. So let's click on this Telegram bot. And now the trigger event, so there's just one, set webhook watch updates. I'm going to click on this and then click on connect. Now here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with Telegram bot account. I've already logged into my Telegram account. I'm going to click on add new connection, and now it is asking for a token. And for this token, I'm going to take you to my Telegram account. Here you have to first look for bot father. So I'm going to click on this. Now let's start the conversation. And here to start a conversation and to create a new bot, I have to type /new bot. Let's click on enter. So here it is saying that yes, we can create a new bot, and now we have to name it. So let's say that the name is Discord T123. This is the name of my bot. And now it is asking to choose a username for my bot. So it is Discord T123. Your username should always end with _bot. So let's write this. And now here you can see that use this token to access. So basically this is the token that we need. This is the key. I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it here. And then click on save. So once done, now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying that you will have to do a test submission so that you can capture the response. Again, I'm going to take you back to Telegram. And here, see, we have just created a new bot. So this is the new bot that I've just created. And now I'm going to start the conversation. As soon as I start the conversation, you can see that the bot is in the chat box now. Now I have to create a new group. So I'm going to click on this and click on new group. And here I'm going to add a few members. So once added, now I also have to add my bot. So I'm going to look for my bot. So this is the bot Discord T123. And now let's click on enter. As soon as we do that, here we have to name our group. So let's say the name of the group is Telegram Discord 123. Now I'm going to click on enter. So once the group is created, with the help of your phone, you will have to make your bot the admin. So now I'm going to do the same. So now I have promoted my bot to admin. And once this is done, I'm going to type a message. So let's say it is, hello team, we will gather for a quick catch up at 3 p.m. today. Regards. Now I'm going to click on enter. So here you can see that I have sent a message, which means that now if I go back to Pabbly Connect, I should get the API response. And so here you can see that we have received the API response, and this is the chat title. Then we have the chat ID. Here you can see that we also have the message text. So this is the text. So basically now what do I have to do? I have to send this message on Discord. So my next action application would be Discord. Let's click on this. And the action event would be to send a channel message HTML. Let's click on this and connect. So once done, now here you can see that it is asking for a webhook URL because this is going to act as a bridge in connecting the two applications. And here you can see this edit channel. So these are the channels that we have, and this is edit channel. So I'm going to click on this. And once done, I have to go to integrations. And then we will go to webhooks. And then we are going to create a new webhook. And here I'm going to name my webhook as Telegram Discord 123. And now I'm going to save changes and then copy this webhook URL. So once copied, go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we are going to paste it. So this is done. Now the message. For this message, we are going to map the data from the previous step, which means mapping basically means to receive the data or retrieve the data from the previous steps. So I'm going to click on this, and the message is this. So we have mapped it. Then the bot name. So now basically bot name is going to be the group name. So I can write here as Telegram to Telegram Discord group. And this is the bot name. You can even give it a bot icon, like you can add an image or GIF or etc. I'm going to leave this blank for now, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that the application has been processed. Now let's go quickly to our Discord account and check if this has received a message. So I'm going to click on escape here, and here you can see that yes, Telegram Discord group has been created. This is the bot, and we have received a message. So what does this mean? This means that Telegram and Discord, these two applications have got completely integrated, but we need to check this in real time as well. So here I'm going to write another message. My message would be, hello team. It was great to talk to you all. We wish to strengthen our bond and reach our common goal soon. Okay, so this is just a motivation thing. Strengthen our bond. And now I'm going to write regards. And now we'll check if I send this message, what should happen? I should receive the same message on Discord. So I'm going to press on enter and now going to check my Discord channel. So here you can see that yes, we have received a message. Hello team, it was great to talk to you all. We wish to strengthen our bond and reach our common goal soon. Regards. Now this basically means that our entire process is a success. The two applications have got integrated and now we are going to quickly check what was the process. So this is just a two-step integration process. The first application, trigger application, was Telegram bot where our event was set webhook watch updates, and the second application was Discord and the event was send channel message HTML. In case of any doubts, you can refer to the workflow. The same workflow is given in the description box of this video and you can even clone this workflow and process immediately. In case you have any other suggestion or advice, you can always write to us.
Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can automatically share your new Facebook page post to your Telegram channel. Here, Facebook and Telegram are two different applications and there is no direct connection between Facebook and Telegram. That's why we are going to integrate both of these applications with the help of an integration software, that is Pabbly Connect. So that whenever a new post is created on Facebook page, Pabbly Connect will automatically send message to Telegram at the same time. And you know what the best part is? This process requires no coding knowledge and any non-technical person can also do this easily. So let's begin with an example and learn the whole process. Okay, so this is my Facebook account and there is the page online class. Here I'm going to create a post and here in the Telegram, this information group, it will get posted directly. Okay, so here in the Facebook, I'm going to create a post from here. Okay, so here your online classes of biology are scheduled on July 3. Okay, now this is the post that I want to create. Now I'm going to post it. It took some amount of time while sending the response, that means from Facebook to Telegram. So don't panic and wait for the response. Okay, now it is posted. Now I'm going to see my Telegram, that particular information group, whether we received the message about this post or not. Okay, so here in the Telegram. Okay, so here we have received the message, the link about this post. Okay, so that's how we have successfully connected Facebook and Telegram. Now how we did it, let's type pabbly.com in the new tabs browser to learn the whole process. So here in the new tab, type pabbly.com, pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here we have to click on products and we have to click on connect. Okay, so this is a landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to click on sign in. As I've already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also sign up for free just in 2 minutes with the help of this sign up free button. Now click on sign in. Okay, so this is the account of Pabbly, of mine account. Okay, so here I'm going to click on connect access now. That's how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here what we have to do, we have to create the workflow with the help of this create workflow button over here. So just click on this create workflow button and here you have to name your workflow. So I'm going to give it name as Facebook to Telegram. Okay, now click on create. Okay, so this is the name of your workflow. Here I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can directly clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so here whenever we'll click on create, these two windows will appear. This window is known as trigger window and this window is known as action window. You might be thinking, what is this trigger, action or trigger action window? So let me tell you, whenever we talk about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Suppose in this use case, whenever a new post is created in Facebook, that will be a trigger, and post it to Telegram will be action of this whole process. That's how we are going to make a connection. And here what we are doing, firstly we are connecting Facebook to Pabbly Connect and then Pabbly Connect with Telegram. In this manner we are going to make a connection. Now here in the trigger window I'm going to choose application as Facebook. Okay, now here Facebook pages. Okay, now the trigger event is new post. Okay, now we have to connect our Facebook to Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. Okay, now here add new connection and connect with Facebook page. Okay, so I'm already logged in, that's why it doesn't ask for the permission, but whenever you will connect it, it will ask for the permission for the access. So you can give access to Pabbly, it is 100% safe. Okay, so here whenever it got connected, there the page thing is visible, this field is visible, and this is page access token. Okay, so let me go back to my Facebook page, and here I'm going back, and here all the pages in my Facebook page are visible. Okay, so these are my Facebook pages. Let me just show you again. Okay, so this is pages, and here all the page will be visible. Okay, see all pages. Okay, so these are the pages that are visible here, and these same pages will be visible in this Pabbly Connect, that is my page, any tech solution, online class. Okay, so here in this page section they all will be visible. Okay, this is all will be visible. So here we are going to choose one particular, and I'm going to choose this particular online class page. Okay, wonderful. Now this page access token, it will be taken automatically, so don't bother about it. So you have to just choose the page in which you want to create the post. Okay, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request, but before that I'm going to make a post here. Okay, so here Facebook pages and here online class. Okay, now here I'm going to create a post. Okay, okay, now here writing something. Okay, so here you all are requested to join the online session of biology and chemistry by Mr. Abhimanyu Deshmukh. Okay, this is the small post that I'm creating. Okay, so here I'm going to post it. Okay, now here in the Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on save and send test request. So whenever I will do this, the recent post details will be visible here in this window. How? Let me just show you. Okay, so here we have got the response, that means we have received the details. Okay, so here we will receive the recently created post details. Okay, so here is the post, that is you are requested to join the online session of biology and chemistry by Mr. Abhimanyu Deshmukh. Okay, so this is just a simply message over here, and yes, we are done with the creating post, and we have successfully got the details from Facebook to Pabbly Connect. Now we are sending these details from Pabbly Connect to our next application, that is Telegram. Okay, so we have to send these details, and for that we are going to choose an action application, that is Telegram. Okay, here I'm going to choose it as Telegram bot. It works on the bot system. Okay, so here Telegram bot. Now action event is send text message or reply. You can choose according to your requirement over here. Okay, so here I have chosen this send a text message or a reply, so I'm going to connect it. Okay, now here add new connection, and here the token. Now from where you will get this token? So let me just tell you, you have to follow these steps. I'm showing you this how to follow these steps. Okay, so here in the Telegram I'm going, and here I'm going to search for bot father. Okay, this is bot father, and now here what you have to do, you have to create a token. Okay, for that firstly you have to type here as /new bot Okay, now here it has given you the information and the details, so let me just go it back. Okay, so here what we have to do now, we have to just, let me just scroll it up. Okay, so here we have to create the new bot. Okay, so new bot again. Okay, all right, new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So we have to choose a name for our bot, so let me just choose it as VEVN. Okay, and 1 2 3. Now we have to choose the username by adding this suffix, that is bot bot or this particular bot. Okay, so I'm going to add it as VN 1 2 3 underscore and this is bot. Okay, now I'm going to send it. Okay, so successfully we have got this particular token. Okay, so this is the token that we require. Okay, after creating this particular username, what we have to do, we have to just click on it, and this is the username. You have to make this username as a admin of your particular group. So suppose I'm using this group, so you have to add that particular user as the group member or admin of this particular group. Okay, so here in this particular bot father, just click on it, and here you have to make it admin, but I'm using Telegram web, that's why I am unable to do this. You can do this on Telegram desktop or on mobile Telegram. Okay, so here for now I am unable to make this person as a Telegram, that's why I'm going to use my previous credentials. Okay, so here I'm going to use it as, let me just go back and have that token. Okay, this one, this is the token that I want to use. Now here in the Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now save. And we have successfully connected Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect. Here what we have to do, we have to fill these fields, that is chat ID, text message. Okay, so for that we are requiring this chat ID. To let me show you where we will getting this chat ID from. Okay, so here in the Telegram web, I'm going to search for my group, that is information group. Okay, so here this is the group I'm going to use, and here this is the chat ID. Okay, so you have to select the particular group that in which you want to send the message and select the chat ID of that particular group. So just copy it, and here in this Pabbly Connect just paste it. Okay, now one more instruction, that here it is written that you have to follow these particular formats. Okay, so if you are sending to group, you have to follow this minus format, and this again if you are using for user, you have to use this format, and if you are sending the message to private channel, then you have to use this format. Okay, so that's how we are going to follow these formats. So I'm going to send this in a group, that's why I'm going to use it as minus before this chat ID. Okay, now here we are done with the chat ID. Now text message. Now here all the details of the message or all the details of the post are visible here. Okay, this is the message, this is the message. Okay, and here all the details are visible. So here I'm going to map these details in this particular down window. Suppose we are going to type the message as new post. Okay, and here we can type the message new post on. Here we can add the name of the group. Okay, so let me just show you. This is the name of the group. Okay, so I'm going to show you where this is visible. Okay, so this is the name of the group. Okay, so we are going to add this in our text message field. Okay, so here I'm going to map it. Okay, from this drop down, so I'm going to scroll it down, and here this is the name. Okay, so full stop, and here we can write the message directly. Okay, so here it is the message. Let me show you the message. So this is the message. We want to add this in our text message field. So how we are going to do it? We are going to map it. Okay, so here simply we can map it. Okay, now here before this message, if you want to add the link, you can add the link to. So yeah, here before that we are adding link to. Okay, so here I'm going to add any of the link from this like, comment or share. Okay, so you can use this one. Okay, so I've added the link, I have added the name of the page, I have added the message. Okay, so these are the three things that I have added in text message. You can obviously add according to yourself. Okay, so pass mode will be same, disable notifications, no I don't want to, and disable link previews, no. So I'm done with the details here in this Telegram window or Telegram bot window, that is action window. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request to send the response. Okay, that means to send the details from Facebook to Telegram. Okay. Okay, so the response received, that means we have successfully sent the message to Telegram group. Okay, that is information group. So now I'm going to check my Telegram web and we'll see whether I have received the message or not. So here in the Telegram web. Okay, so new post on online class. So this is the link and you all are requested to join the session of biology and chemistry by Mr. Abhimanyu Deshmukh. Okay, so this is the message that we want to send from Facebook to Telegram about the recently created post. Okay, so here going back to Pabbly Connect and here minimizing the windows. Okay, so I'm going to summarize what we have done. Basically we have connected Facebook with Telegram. Okay, so here firstly we have connected Facebook to Pabbly Connect and then we have connected Pabbly Connect to Telegram bot. First we have received the details from Facebook to Pabbly Connect and then we have sent the details from Pabbly Connect to Telegram bot. In this manner we have connected these two applications. Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how you can send Telegram messages to WhatsApp automatically or syncing Telegram messages with WhatsApp. As it is known that Telegram and WhatsApp doesn't have direct connection. That's why we are going to integrate both of these applications with the help of an integration software, that is Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new message will arrive on Telegram, Pabbly Connect will automatically send the message on WhatsApp at the same time. And you know what the best part is? This process requires no coding knowledge and any non-technical person can also do this easily. So let's begin with the process. Okay, so this is my Telegram account and this is my WhatsApp. Here I'll be receiving the same message that I'm gonna receive on Telegram. Okay, so this is the group, that is CSIR Net Notes Online. Okay, so here suppose this is a group on Telegram and I get notes from it and they are updating all details about this exam in same group. So what I want to do, I want to receive this group's message on WhatsApp too. Now let's have a look how we will do this. So here I'm going to type just a random message about the CSIR Net exam. Okay, so yes, I've already copied it, that's why I'm directly pasting it. Okay, so this is kind of some important topics of CSIR notes and here I'm going to just mention it about IMP topics. Okay, and I'm going to do this and okay, so yeah, I'm going to send this message and we'll see on WhatsApp too. Okay, so I'm going to send it. Okay, and here on the WhatsApp I'm going to check whether I have received that message or not. Okay, so here we have received, that is IMP topics and all the same message that we received on Telegram. Okay, now I would like to mention that I have used Chat API to send WhatsApp messages. Okay, and which is a third-party application. I will add the link in the description box about the setup and installation of Chat API. And two major important things about Chat API is that first, it is a paid software, and second, Pabbly Connect doesn't own it. So to begin the process, let's type pabbly.com in the new tabs browser, that is pabbly.com, that is pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. Wonderful. Now this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to click on sign in. As I have already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. So click on sign in. Okay, so this is my account and here I'm going to click on connect access now, this one. Okay, that's how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create the workflow with the help of this create workflow button. Just click on it and here you have to name your workflow. In my workflow or in my use case, I'm using the name as Telegram to WhatsApp. Okay, so click on create and this is the name of your workflow. Here I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so here whenever you click on create, these two windows will appear. This window is known as trigger window and this window is known as action window. This is a trigger and this is an action. You might be thinking, what is this trigger or action? So let me tell you, whenever we talk about automation, it works on the concept of triggers and action. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Suppose in this particular use case, whenever a new message will arrive on Telegram, will be a trigger, and send the same message on WhatsApp too at the same time will be action of this process. Okay, so that's how the whole process is going to be. Now here one more thing, that how we can connect or how will we connect. Firstly, we will connect our trigger application with Pabbly, that means Telegram to Pabbly, and then Pabbly with Chat API in order to send WhatsApp messages. As we can't directly send WhatsApp messages, that's why we are using a third-party application, that is Chat API, which is a paid software. Okay, so here I'm going to choose a trigger application, that is Telegram. Telegram works on the bot, that is Telegram bot. Okay, so here in the trigger event, I'm going to choose it as set webhook or watch updates. Wonderful. Now in order to connect Pabbly with Telegram bot, we have to click on this connect button. Okay, here we have to enter the token. Now which token? Let me just tell you. To get the token, we have to follow these steps. Okay, these all steps. So for that, I'm going to back to this Telegram web and here I'm going to search for bot father. So here bot father. Okay, so bot father. Okay, this one. So here in the bot father, what we have to do, we have to connect and we have to first create a new bot, then we have to give it a name, then we have to give it a username, and then we have to make that username as an admin of that particular group. Okay, then only you will be able to get the messages and will be able to connect Pabbly. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to create a new bot. For that we have to write it as new bot over here. Okay, so just enter it. Okay, I'll write a new bot. How we are going to call it? Please choose a name for it. So we are choosing a name for it. It is BEB123. Okay, so yeah, press enter. Okay, now let's choose username. So we have to choose a username and make sure that your username should be unique, because sometime it shows it as this username is already taken, so try another, and this requires a lot of time. So make sure you should choose a username that is unique and some kind of different. Okay, so here, and one more thing, that you have to add the suffix as bot. Okay, in this manner or in this manner. So yes, I'm using it as, first we have to check whether it is available or not. Okay, so yeah, here I'm going to send it. Okay, so we are lucky that we got the token in the first time. Okay, so here this is the particular token that we have to enter here. Okay, now as I have already told you that we have to make this username as admin, just click on it and start, and you have to make this username as admin. You can make admin from your mobile or Telegram desktop. As I'm using web Telegram, that's why I couldn't make this user as username as an admin. That's why I'm going to use my previous credentials. Okay, so that's why I'm going to click on it and using some previous token. Okay, that is already an admin of that group. Okay, which group? That the same CSIR notes online. Okay, I'm using the same group because that will again require that user to be admin, but I have not that facility or in this Telegram web. That's why I'm going to use my previous name. Okay, so this is some kind of, yeah, this one. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular token. So here I'm going to copy it and going to paste it. Okay, so yeah, this is my token, and you have to follow these steps and you will be able to get the token. Okay, so yeah, we have successfully connected. Now what we have to do, we have to just save and send test request. Okay, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request, and here it is waiting for webhook response. Now what we have to do, we have to send a message on Telegram. Okay, so here, okay, so this is Telegram web, and here in that group, that is CSIR notes, I'm going to type it as and search for it, CSIR. Okay, this one, and here going to paste a message that I have already copied, and yeah, this is the message for the student. Okay, so I'm going to send this message and we'll see whether we receive the response or not. Okay, so click on send and going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here it is waiting, and we'll get the response in just 2 minutes. Okay, so we have got the response. Very good. And here what we have to see, we have to just make sure that we have got the details about the message, and we have successfully connected Pabbly with Telegram bot. Okay, so here this is the message. This is actually quite long, but not to worry. Okay, so this is the whole message. Okay, this is the whole message that we want to send to WhatsApp. Now here there is no number visible, there is no, I can say, group or no group ID or no group name. So how we are going to send it? First we have to collect the information of contacts or group. For that we are going to use an action application, that is Chat API, to get the contact details and group details. Okay, so here I'm going to click on, I'm going to type it as Chat API. Wonderful. And here I'm going to add action event as get contacts or group. Okay, so get contacts or group. Wonderful. Now we have to connect it. For that, click on connect. Now we are connecting Pabbly with Chat API in order to get the contact details. Okay, contact, or I can say group details. So click on connect and going back to Chat API for this API URL and token. Now from where we will get this, let me just tell you. After you have set up or installed your Chat API, you have successfully scanned the QR code, you have authenticated. Now what you have to do, you have to go back to Chat API, and here you have to copy this URL. Okay, so this is the particular URL, and here the authenticated status must be authenticated. Okay, good. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste it as this one. Okay, so this is the API URL. Now about the token. So token, again it was beside it, that is this one. So just click on Ctrl C and just paste it over here. Okay, so this is done, and now I'm going to save the credentials. And we have successfully connected Chat API with Pabbly in order to get contacts or group details. Okay, so now I'm going to click here as save and send test request. Okay, okay, so here all the contacts, all the groups will be visible in these details or response. Okay, the whole contacts in your mobile. So yeah, this is some kind of a lengthy and a bit of tiresome. So what we have to do, we have to search for our particular group. Okay, so I'm going to search for it and we'll see what is the ID and what is the name of my group. Okay, so for that, first we have to add another action window in order to send that particular group message. Okay, so let me just show you before I'm going to add an action window that how can we search for. Okay, so here we can search for it. That is okay, so this is the particular group in which I want to send the message. Okay, so this is the ID and this is the name. Here what you have to do, you can map these details in the down windows. Okay, all the details, all the message, everything. But when it comes to the ID, group ID, what you have to do, you have to directly copy it, because if you map it, it is not necessary that always it will come in the same section. Okay, in this particular section it may come in the 0, 2, 3, 4, any of these. So make sure that you should copy it. Okay, so I'm going back to this plus button and going to click on this and adding another action window. Here what we are going to, now this time we are going to send a message. Okay, so here again I'm going to choose action application as chat API. Wonderful. And this time it is send message. Okay, so yeah, send message as action event. Wonderful. Now here we have to again connect our chat API with Pabbly in order to send message. That time in order to get contacts, and this time in order to send message to that selected group. Okay, so here connect. Okay, again the API credentials, sorry, and here I'm going back to this chat API section, and here I'm going to copy this URL. Okay, make sure your phone should be connected. I'm reminding you again and again, and you have to keep that in mind. Okay, so yeah, URL is done, and now the token. So the token just beside it actually. Okay, so copy it and paste it over here. Okay, wonderful. Now click on save and your credentials are saved now. It is taking some kind of time. Okay, so successfully connected. Here, whenever you will get connected, these three fields will be visible. As we are not sending in a particular contact, that's why we are not adding phone number here. We are adding the contact or group ID. Enter chat ID. If you want to send the message in an existing contact or a group, then you have to add this particular ID format. Okay, so this ID, where is this ID? Let me just show you. Okay, so here in the dialogs 1 ID, this is the ID. Okay, that I'm going to copy and going to paste it in this contact or group section. Okay, here is the option of mapping the data, but we are avoiding it this time because we can't map the same thing, because every time the ID will be in different section according to your groups, according to your contacts. Okay, so just closing it. Wonderful. Now I'm scrolling it down and I'm going to add the message. Okay, I'm not bothering the phone number because I want to send in a group. Okay, so here we will not be requiring contact numbers. So here message is, what is the message? So this is the message. Okay, so this is the text message is done, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, save and send test request. Okay, so we have sent the message, and let me just check whether we received it on WhatsApp or not. That means sent yes, message this one, and ID true, and this is number. Okay, so this is showing that successfully it is sent. So I'm going back to this WhatsApp and we'll see. Okay, so here we have received this message and this is exactly the same. Okay, so that's how we have successfully connected Telegram with WhatsApp. Okay, now going back to Pabbly Connect window, and here going to minimize these windows. Okay, and I'm going to summarize it very clearly. Okay, so here what we have done basically. Firstly, we have connected Telegram bot with Pabbly, then Pabbly with Chat API in order to get contacts or group details, and then Pabbly with Chat API in order to send message. Okay, so we have used Chat API as a third-party application to send WhatsApp messages. Okay, so that's how we have built a connection, and it is very successful. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, here in this video, we are going to learn how to save new Telegram files to Google Drive automatically. Suppose my company members uses Telegram to share some important files, and I want those files to be saved in my Google Drive account automatically. But the problem here is the direct connection between Telegram and Google Drive is kind of limited. That's why we're going to use an integration and automation software in this video. That is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we can connect Telegram with Google Drive directly, so that whenever a new file arrives on Telegram, it will automatically saved in Google Drive account too. And the best part here is the process that we are going to use in this video requires no coding skills or programming knowledge. So let's begin with an example. Okay, so this is my Telegram web account and this is my Google Drive. Here from Telegram, I'm uploading or I'm sending one image or any kind of message, and we'll see whether the file arrives in Google Drive or not. Okay, so here from this group, I'm sending image to this group. Okay, so I'm just simply copying it. Okay, this image and just copying it. Okay, and this group, I want to send the image in this group. Okay, so here I'm pasting it and just removing this extra text. Okay, so here I have pasted and I'm just checking whether the image get there or not. Okay, so yeah, press enter. So this is the file and I'm just going back to Google Drive and just checking whether it get posted there or not. Okay, so yeah. So yeah, we have got this image here. That means our connection worked. Okay, now to learn the process and to initiate the process, just click on this new tab and type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. That's how you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to click on sign in. As I have already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. So click on sign in. Okay, this is my account. Here I'm clicking on connect access now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we are going to create a workflow with the help of this create workflow button. Okay, so here I'm typing the name of workflow and that is Telegram to Google Drive. Okay, now click on create. Okay, so this is the name of your workflow, and here I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so whenever you will click on this create button, this window will appear. This is known as trigger window. You might be thinking, or the question arising is, what is this trigger or what is this trigger window? So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of triggers and action. Trigger says, when this happens, action says do this. Suppose in this use case, Telegram to Google Drive, whenever a new file is arrived or received on Telegram will be trigger and upload it to Google Drive automatically will be action. So for that, we have to choose the trigger application first. Here we are choosing trigger application as Telegram bot. Okay. So this is Telegram bot and here we have to choose the trigger event. For that, just click on set webhook or watch updates. Okay, now we have to connect our Telegram with Pabbly. So let me tell you one more thing. How it works is, firstly, Telegram bot will connect it to Pabbly and then it will get connected to Google Drive. That's how it will work. So first of all, we have to connect our Telegram with Pabbly. So click on this connect button. Okay, whenever you click on connect, this window will appear and here you have to mention the token ID of your Telegram bot. For that, you have to follow these steps, and before clicking on this, let me just go back to this Telegram web, or you can directly go there. Here you have to go on this search bar and you have to type bot father here. Okay, here these are already created token. I'm showing you how to create a new token. Okay, so here just write or type new bot and press enter. Okay, all right, a new bot. Here we are going to call, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for it. So I'm choosing it as YEY1234 and press enter. Okay, so this is our name. Now we have to add a suffix to it as bot. So I'm adding it as YEY1234 underscore bot. Okay, perfect. Now enter. Okay, done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find at, okay, here we will find our bots. So firstly, we have to click on this. Okay, and click on start. Okay, so here we have got this username and we have got this bot. Now I'm going back to this bot father. Okay, this is your username. Now what you have to do is you have to make this user as the admin of your particular group where you are receiving or getting messages. Okay, so for that, suppose I'm having this group, so I will make this user as admin of this group. But as I'm using web Telegram, I will be unable to make this user as admin, so I'm directly using my previous token ID. Okay, suppose this one. Okay, so I'm using this ID and here I'm copying it and pasting it to Pabbly Connect in this token section. Okay, now paste it and save it. Okay, now we have successfully connected our Telegram bot with Pabbly. Okay, now here you have to save and send test request. Just click on it and here webhook URL will be taken by itself, and here I'm clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so webhook was set. Now we are completely done with webhook setup. Okay, now I'm going to click on this capture webhook response just to make you know that we will be sending one image and see whether it got response here or not. So going back to Telegram web, and here I'm just showing you that this is my random testing group where I'm just copying this image or this image, anyone, and I'll just show you whether it get response in that Pabbly Connect or not. Okay, so I'm just randomly copying it from any other group and this is my particular group. Okay, so here, yeah, I've pasted this and yeah, here it is sent. Now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect just to see whether it get the response or not. So here it is. Okay, so we have got the response, and in the group, that is chat title Pabbly test, and it is a group. Okay, and this is our URL. Okay, let me just do it. Okay, so this is our URL and the title. Okay, now these two things are together, so just to make them separate, let's add another action window with the help of this plus button, and here we are choosing a text formatter by Pabbly. Okay, so this is text formatter, and here the event is split text. Okay, why we are doing this? Because this is combinedly showing it, so we have to separate these two, that means name and this URL. Okay, so yeah, here we will connect it, and here we have to mention the text to split, and we can map it from the above trigger window. So here fields will be visible, that is first text to split, we have this text. Okay, so here we have to add a separator, we have to use this space thing. So here I'm just copying it directly, you can also copy it, and here I'm pasting it. Okay, So here all the segment, yes. Okay, so here now we have done with the details. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have splitted our text. Image is gone separated for test. That means whichever text is containing space in it, it got separated. Okay, and this is the URL, image URL. Okay, now we are done with our Pabbly and Telegram bot integration. So now we are connecting Pabbly with Google Drive. So here click on this plus button and here choose an action app. For that we are choosing Google Drive. Okay. And here we are choosing action event as upload a file. Okay, upload a file. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so here we have to connect our Google Drive with Pabbly. For that, just click on this connect button and click on connect with Google Drive. And you have to choose the account where you want to upload or save file. So I want to save in this account. That's why I'm directly clicking on it. And here Pabbly will ask for the permission. You can trust Pabbly and just click on allow. It is 100% safe to use. Okay, so authorization is successful. Now here URL, folder ID, file name. We will map the details from the above two windows. Okay, so here the URL is from the split text. Okay, this is the URL. Okay, and here folder ID. Now I'm going back to this Google Drive just to make you know that how we will get the folder ID. Okay, so this is my folder, my drive and images folder, and here in the above search bar you can see that this folder thing. So here you have to copy the last text, that will be your folder ID. Okay, so go back to Pabbly Connect and just paste it over here. Wonderful. Now here file name, we want to add file name as image, okay, space, again split text, for, again space, and again test. Okay, so this is our file name. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, yeah, we have got the response, and that means we have received our image in Google Drive. So let us check one more time. Okay, so this is image for test. We have received this image from Telegram to Google Drive. Okay, now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm just minimizing these two windows, actually three windows. Okay, so yeah, what we have done, we have connected Telegram to Google Drive. Firstly, we have connected Telegram with Pabbly and then Pabbly with Google Drive. Hey everyone! Today here in this video we are going to learn how to post YouTube video to Telegram channel automatically. Suppose I have uploaded an informative video on my YouTube channel and I want it to get posted on Telegram channel too. But the issue here is there is no direct connection between YouTube and Telegram. That's why we are going to use an integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we can connect YouTube to Telegram directly, so that whenever a new video is uploaded on YouTube, it will automatically get posted on Telegram channel too. And I would like to mention one more thing, that in this process, there is no requirement for coding and programming knowledge. So let's begin with an example. Okay, this is my YouTube channel and this is my Telegram web. Here it is the group where I want to post my uploaded video of YouTube. Okay, so here I'm going to upload a video, and from here create, okay, and upload videos. Select files and suppose this nature video. Okay. Okay, and here I'm just mentioning the detail as nature video. Okay, again, or I can write it as nature is beautiful. Okay, this is perfect. Now I'm clicking on next. Here some kind of mandatory details. Okay, yes, it is made for kids. And next. Okay, here some kind of again information. Next. and okay, next, and here I want to publish it, so it is public. Okay, now publish. Okay, it is taking some kind of time. It's okay. Okay, so video is published. Close. Okay, so it is visible here. Now I'm going to check my Telegram web and that particular group where I wanted to posted this video and video link. Okay. Okay, so here it is the video, that is nature video. Nature is beautiful. Okay, so that's how it is posted on Telegram channel too. Well, YouTube might give the response in 5 to 10 minutes or sometimes even more. So don't panic and wait for it. Now to learn the process and to initiate it, let's type pabbly.com in the browser of new tab. So it is pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. Okay, that's how you will reach the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to sign in. As I have already created my account, you can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. So I'm directly signing in. Okay, this is my account and here I'm going to click on connect access now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create the workflow. With the help of this create workflow button, just click on it. And here you have to name your workflow. So I'm naming it as YouTube to Telegram. Okay, now click on create. Okay, so this is the name of your workflow, and I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can directly clone it and directly access it into your account. So here whenever you will click on create, this window will appear. This window is known as trigger window. You might be thinking, or the question is, what is trigger or what is this trigger window? So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of triggers and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So in this use case, in this particular YouTube to Telegram use case, whenever a new video is published on YouTube will be a trigger and post the same video on the Telegram will be the action. Okay, so that will be an automatic action. So here I'm choosing a trigger application, that is, so it is YouTube. Okay, now click on YouTube. And here you have to choose a trigger event. So that is a new video in channel. Okay. So yeah, now we will connect our YouTube with Pabbly. For that you have to click on this connect button. Actually, let me explain the workflow first. First you will connect YouTube to Pabbly and then Pabbly to Telegram. So click on this connect button. Okay, here connect with YouTube. And here you have to choose the account where you want to upload or where you have to upload the video. Okay, so this is the account where I want to upload my video, and here it will ask for the access. That means Pabbly asks for the access. You can trust Pabbly, it is 100% safe. So click on allow. Okay, authorization is successful. Here we have connected our YouTube with Pabbly. Now I'm going back to YouTube and I'm uploading another video. So for that, click on create and upload videos. So I'm simply uploading a sample video. So this one, a planet video. Okay. Okay, till then, okay, here just a random like one of the planet. Okay, just a random description. So here I'm clicking on next, and yes, it is made for kids. Next, and again next, again next. Okay, here I want to publish it. So here it is public and publish. Okay, so it is showing processing 95%. Till then we can wait. Okay, so here it is published. Now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Before that, I just want to mention that it will ask for the channel ID as it is my channel ID or channel name, that is I have connected with this account. That's why it is showing this channel ID. Okay, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request just to check the response of videos. Okay, so yeah. Here we have got the response with the details. That means this was the name of the video and this is the description and all the details of account name, that is channel title, all is visible. Now one more thing, these details can be mapped in second action step. Okay, so we are adding another step, that is action step. Okay, so here I'm going to choose a action application. So action application is Telegram bot. Telegram works on bot when it comes to connection or integration. Okay, so here send a text message or a reply. Here I'm choosing this action event. Now again we have to connect Pabbly with Telegram bot as I have already mentioned. So here we have to click on connect button. Okay, and here we have to find the token. For that we have to follow these steps and let me just show you how we can find this token. So here I'm going back to this Telegram web. Okay, so this was the group where I want to post this video that is published on YouTube. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this test, but before that I'm going to click on or type it as bot father. Okay, now click on it and here we will find the token. For that first we have to mention it as new bot. Okay, this is the process that how we can get the token of this particular ID. Okay, so here alright, a new bot, how we are going to call it, please choose a name for your bot. Here we have to create a bot, we have to name it, then we have to add a suffix, then we have to just make the admin of that particular group. Okay, so before that we are just following the process just to reach there. So new bot and here we have to name our bot. For that I'm just naming it as PEP123. Okay. Okay, now we have to add the suffix to our name. So here I'm giving it as PEP123 underscore bot. Okay. So done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this particular name. Okay, so this is the token and here we will copy this and I'm just copying it. Okay, and just pasting it here. Okay, now before saving it, let me just go back to Telegram web. Okay, here what you have to do next is this is the name of your particular bot and this is the name of that particular user. So you have created this user. Now you have to add this user to that particular group where you want to add or post your video. Okay, or the link. So here first we have to make this username as admin. Okay, so here start and that's how you will be able to make it as admin. But before that, one more thing, I'm using Telegram web, that's why I'm unable to make it as an admin. So I'm directly working on previous ID. Okay, so this is my particular ID or one more. I'm working on this ID, that's why I'm copying it. Okay, so I'm just removing it because I have just shown you and I'm adding another ID that was previously stored. Okay, so here I'm clicking on save. Wonderful. Now going back to Telegram web and here as I have copied this and I was telling you that this name has to made as admin. So this admin option is not available in this web Telegram. That's why I directly use that particular previous one. But you have to make this person as admin. You can make it from your mobile or you can make it from desktop Telegram. So whenever you will make it as admin, it will be added to this group and will be in admin, and that's how it works. Okay, so I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and here chat ID. Now chat ID requires this particular sequence or this particular format. For that, I'm going back to Telegram web and going back to this particular group where I want to post my video. So here in the web browser section, here in the search bar, it is visible this number. Okay, so this number is particularly the chat ID. So here I'm copying it and pasting it on this chat ID here. Okay, so this is the chat ID. Here I'm adding a minus sign, as I have already told you that you have to follow these steps that are given below. Okay, according to your group, according to your user, according to private channel, you can use these symbols or you can use these instructions. Okay, so mine was group, that's why I used this minus sign. Okay, now as I have mentioned before also that we can map the details here from this above trigger window. Okay, so suppose a text message will be new video. Okay, new video, and this is particularly okay. Now here you have to add the link of that YouTube watching channel. So here I'm going to add this watch link, youtube.com/watch. Okay, here I have to mention the ID of the particular video. So for that, again I'm mapping it, that is okay, here it is the ID, this is the ID. So we have to mention this ID too, and yeah, remaining things will remain same. So I'm going to click on this save and send test request just to show you whether it got the response, whether it got the link of that video and video from this YouTube channel or not. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, response received, that means we have got the details from YouTube to this Telegram with the help of Pabbly. Okay, so here I'm going back to Telegram web just to check the notification and just to check that whether we have received the video and video link or not. Okay. Yeah, so here we have got the link, we have got the video. So that's how it is. So it is visible here too. Okay, so that's how it worked, and I'm going back to Pabbly Connect here. Okay, now I'm minimizing these windows. Okay. Okay. Now what we have done? We have integrated YouTube with Telegram. For that, we have used this Pabbly Connect. Firstly, we have connected YouTube with Pabbly Connect. We have got the response. We have just got the details of that video. And then we have particularly added action window where we have mentioned Telegram and we have connected Pabbly with Telegram. That's how we have built a connection between YouTube and Telegram.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Google Sheets and Telegram. So the use case here is, whenever a new row is updated in Google Sheets, we want to send a message in Telegram. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program, whereas Telegram is a messaging software. The issue here is that Telegram and Google Sheets don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to send data from Google Sheets to Telegram. The best part here is that you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now we are going to go to this product section over here, and I'm going to select connect from here. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in from here. Now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. So now I'm going to scroll down here, and here at Connect, I'm going to select Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow from here. Okay, so let us give this a name. So I'm going to name it as Google Sheets to Telegram. Okay, so this is the trigger dialog box over here when this happens, and you have to choose an app over here. You can add action steps by clicking on this plus button from here. So in this case, we are going to integrate Google Sheets with Telegram using Pabbly Connect. So first, we are going to integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect. So first, I'm going to choose Google Sheets over here, this one. Okay, so now in choose method, here you can see new spreadsheet row. So this is our trigger method over here. So first, what is trigger? So trigger can be said as happening of an event. So here the trigger is new spreadsheet row. So now what is trigger? So trigger can be said as happening of an event. So here the trigger is new spreadsheet row. In case you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger of your choice. Our team will help you. So here I'm going to select new spreadsheet row. Okay, so you can see this webhook URL over here. So what we actually do is, when we choose an app and we choose the method, after that you have to copy this webhook URL from here and you have to go and paste it inside the trigger software application. Here in this case, it is Google Sheets. So you can see there are many instructions written over here. So you have to follow these instructions and you have to go and paste it inside the Google Sheets. So I'm going to copy it from here, and now we have to go to Google Sheets. So I've already opened a spreadsheet in another window. You can see here. Okay, so I've already created this spreadsheet over here with the name Google Sheets to Telegram, and I've entered these fields over here. So let us enter the data. So my task is going to be integration. Okay, it is assigned to Steve Stokes. Okay, the due date is 5th November 2020. Okay, so now we'll go to this add-on tab over here. And here you can see Pabbly Connect webhooks. If you don't have this option over here, you can go to get add-ons and you can search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and you can install it. So now I'm going to go to this initial setup. Okay, so in this empty webhook URL field, we are going to paste the URL that we got from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste it. And in this trigger column, you have to enter the last column of your data. So my last column is C. So I'm going to write C over here. Okay, so now before moving further, we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And we are going to capture the webhook response over here. Okay, so you can see it is waiting for webhook response. We'll go back to our Google Sheets. And here I'm going to send test. Okay, the test data sent successfully. Now I'm going to submit it. Okay, so now before moving further, one last step, you have to again go to add-ons. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to click on send on event. Okay, so now what we have to do is we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured this data or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have got the webhook response over here. That means we have built a connection with Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. So you can read the webhook response. The task is integration. It is assigned to Steve Stokes and the due date is written. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay, so we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integrating Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. And now we'll begin with our second step integration. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And we have added an action step. So here I'm going to select Telegram. Okay, so you can see the Telegram over here. Okay, so now in choose method, you can see there are many action methods available for us, but we want as soon as a new row is entered in Google Sheets, we want to send a text message. So I'm going to select this one. Now, if you want, you can also select the other action method as well. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Telegram bot. So credentials, you don't have to worry in token. So here, what is token? So token is a kind of credential which helps you to build a connection between two software applications. So here token is going to help us to build a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So you can read the instructions. Here it is saying us that you have to go to Telegram and then you have to search for botfather and you have to send a message like this /new bot in the message box of botfather and then you have to press enter. So we'll go to Telegram. Okay, so I'm going to search for botfather over here. Okay, so this is the botfather. So now I'm going to start it. Okay, so you can see as soon as we sent the start, it has sent us some messages. Okay, so now we'll go back to the instructions and you can see we have to send a message called /new bot. So we are going to send it /new bot. Okay, so now it has sent a message to us. Please choose a name for your bot. So I'm going to choose it as integrations Pabbly. Okay, so now it wants us to choose a username. So I'm going to keep it as Google Sheets _ Telegram _ 3 _ bot. Now you have to remember that it is very necessary to put bot in the end. Otherwise it won't accept your username. So I'm going to send this. Okay, so you can see done. Congratulations on your new bot. So you can find your new bot at this link and here it has given us the token. I'm going to copy this token and I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so now we are going to save it and then we'll build a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have some empty fields over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to get this data from here and we are going to map this information here. So first it is asking us for a chat ID. So in order to get a chat ID, we'll go back to Telegram and here what you have to do is you have to create a new group and there you have to make your bot as the admin. So before creating the group, first let us activate our bot. So I'm going to start it. So you can see we have got our bot in our conversation. Now let us create a group. So now I'm going to search for my bot. Integrations. You can see this is our bot. So next, so now you have to create a group name. So I'm going to give it as Google Sheets to Telegram. Okay, so create group. Okay, so you can see we have created the group. Now you have to make your bot as the admin of the group and you can do it through your mobile phone. Okay, so now here you can see this number over here 4132722212. So I'm going to copy this. So this is actually our chat ID. So I have copied it from there. So now I'm going to put a hyphen before entering the chat ID and I'm going to paste my chat ID. So remember you have to add this hyphen before adding your chat ID. Okay, so now in the text message, I'll frame the text message and the information that is going to be in the text message, we are going to get it from the API response that we have got from here. So I'm just going to map the details. So first I'll write hello. So let us map the name. So it is going to be this. Okay. Your new task is, so I'll map the task, this one. Okay. The due date for same is, and I'll map the due date as well. Okay, so we have done with this. So now parse mode, disable notifications, disable link previews, you don't have to worry. So now save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means we have integrated Telegram and Pabbly Connect. You can see first name integrations Pabbly and the text is over here. So I'm going to save it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'll go to Telegram web and see if a new message is there or not. So I'll come to Telegram. Okay, so you can see, hello Steve Stokes, your new task is integration. The due date for the same is this. Okay, so we have integrated Google Sheets with Telegram successfully. So now I'm going to show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Google Sheets and I'm going to enter a new data over here. So in task, I'm going to write marketing. Assigned to, I'm going to put it as Hamis Casper. The due date is 10th November 2020. Okay, so I have entered the data. Now let's go to Telegram and see if a new message is there or not. So I'll go to Telegram. Okay, so you can see, hello Hamis Casper, your new task is marketing. The due date for same is this. Okay, so now I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and let me minimize this. Okay, so here in this example, what would have happened? First, the information would have come from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect, and then it would have come from Pabbly Connect to Telegram. So now every time a new row is created in Google Sheets, a text message or a reply will be sent in Telegram automatically. So we have successfully integrated Google Sheets and Telegram bot by using Pabbly Connect.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Telegram and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new message in Telegram, we want to save the information in Google Sheets. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Telegram is a software application where you can send your messages, whereas Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program. The issue here is that Telegram and Google Sheets don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software, to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now from here in this product section, I'm going to go to this connect from here. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I'd like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to select Access now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we have to create a new workflow from here, Create Workflow. So I'm going to click on it, and now we are going to name this workflow. So I'm going to name it as Telegram to Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm going to create it. Okay, so now you can see this trigger dialog box over here, and you can read when this happens. So we have to choose an app over here. So here I'm going to integrate Telegram and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to integrate Telegram with Pabbly Connect, and then I'll integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So our first step integration is going to be Telegram to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to choose Telegram over here. Okay. In choose method, you can see this set webhook or watch updates. So this is the trigger method here. So now what is trigger? Now trigger can be said as happening of an event. So here the trigger is set webhook or watch updates. So in some methods, what will happen is you will get many other triggers as well. And in case you don't get the trigger of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger of your choice. Our team will help you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect with Telegram bot. So I'll click on it. Okay, so credentials, you don't have to worry about it. When you come here, you can see this token. So now what is token? So token is a kind of credential which helps you to build a connection between two software applications. Here, in this case, we are going to connect Telegram and Pabbly Connect. So now let us read what the instruction says. So here it is saying us that we have to go to Telegram, and then we have to search for bot father. And then we have to text him this /new bot in the message box, and then we have to press enter. And after that, you also have to select a name as well as a username for your new bot. Okay, so now let us go to Telegram web. Okay, so I've already opened it over here, and now I'm going to search for bot father. So you can see this one with a tag. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to start it. So as soon as you clicked on start, you can see it has sent some messages over here. So now according to the instructions written in Pabbly Connect, now what you have to do is you have to send this in the message box. Okay, so we'll type /new bot. Okay, this one. So now you can see it is saying, please choose a name for your bot. So now we have to choose a name for this bot. So I'm going to name it as integration. Okay, so now it wants us to choose a username as well. So now let us write a username here. Google Sheets _ Telegram _ 2 _ bot. Now you have to remember that you have to add this bot at the last, because then only it will accept this username. So I'm going to send this. Okay, so it has accepted this username. So now you can read, done, congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this link. So you can find your new bot at this link. So now I'm going to copy this token key from here, and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so now because we have pasted this token key, what will happen? Now this token key will help Telegram and Pabbly Connect to build a connection with each other. So I'm going to click on save. So now you can see this webhook URL over here. So sometimes what happens is when you choose an app and the method over here, after that what you have to do is you have to copy this webhook URL from here, and you have to go and paste it inside the Trigger software application. But here in this case it is not required because we have already done it through token. So now when you click on save and send test request over here, the webhook will be created automatically. The data will be sent to this URL without us going and pasting this URL in the Trigger software manually. So I'll show you. I'll click on save and send test request now. Okay, so you can see webhook was set. So now whenever there is an activity in the Trigger software application, that is Telegram here, Pabbly Connect will capture the data automatically. Okay, so now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So when I click on this, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now what we have to do is we have to go to Telegram and we have to send a message. So I'll go to Telegram web. Okay, so here we are at Telegram. Now here we can see our new bot. So I'm going to click on this link. And let me click on start. Okay, so you can see our integration bot has been added to our conversation. Now before sending a message, what we have to do is we have to first create a group, and there we have to add this bot. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to create a new group. Okay, so I'm going to search for my new bot over here. Okay, so this was the bot that we created. So I'm going to click on it and we are going to click on next. So let us give a name to this. So I'm going to give it as Telegram to Google Sheets. So I'll create the group. Okay, so now we have created the group. Now you have to remember that you have to make your new bot as the admin of the group, and you can do that by using your mobile phone. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to send a message here. New task, integration of Telegram and Google Sheets. Okay, so now let us go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured this message or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. First name is Pabbly demo. Title is Telegram to Google Sheets. Okay, and you can see the message as well. New task, integration of Telegram and Google Sheets. So now we have successfully captured the data from Telegram. So I'm going to save this. So here we have finished our first step integration, and now we are going to begin with our second step integration. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And now we have to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to choose Google Sheets over here. This. Okay, in choose method, you can see there are many action methods available over here, but we want to add new row whenever a message is sent by Telegram. So I'll click on add new row. Now, in case you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com for the specific action method of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. Okay, So here credentials, you don't have to worry. New credentials connect with Google Sheets. So we are going to connect it. Okay, so here you have to choose the account where your Google Sheets is stored. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so now you have to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure. So I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so here you can see some empty fields. So now what we are going to do is, whatever information we have got from the API response, we are going to map these details over here. So you can see it has already mapped some details. So I have already created my Google Sheets over here. I have created a spreadsheet over here with the name Telegram to Google Sheets, and it is sheet 1. And I've already created these 3 fields over here: chat ID, message and name. So we'll go back to Pabbly and you can see chat ID, message and name. So now we are going to map the information that we have got here at first step, and we are going to put it here. So first let us map the chat ID. So it is here. Now let us map the message. Okay, here. New task, integration of Telegram and Google Sheets. And name. Now let us search for the name as well. So you can see Pabbly. So I'm going to enter the last name as well. So I'll map it again. This one. Okay, so full name is here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have got the API response. That means we have built a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets as well. So we have successfully finished our integration. So I'm going to save this. Okay, so let's go to Google Sheets. So here. So yes, you can see we have got the data. So I'll just extend this so that you can see what is written. Okay, you can see the chat ID is over here, the message is here, and the name. So now what we have done is we have successfully integrated Telegram with Google Sheets. So now I'm going to show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to Telegram here and I'm going to send a new message now. So I'm going to type second task, integration of 2 softwares. Okay, so now I have sent this second message over here. Now let's go to Google Sheets and see if a new row is added there or not. So I'll come to Google Sheets. So you can see chat ID is here, a message is here, and it was sent by same person. That is why same name. Okay, so now let me go back to my Pabbly Connect over here, and now I'm going to minimize it. Okay. So what we actually did was we first sent the data from Telegram to Pabbly Connect, and then it came from Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. Thus, we built a connection between both these softwares through Pabbly Connect. So now every time a message is sent by Telegram, it will be added as new row in Google Sheets automatically.
Not just these 2 software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.